In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Monday.com as a complete beginner step by step. We'll break everything down into simple, easy to follow steps so you can organize projects, manage tasks, collaborate with your team, and automate repetitive work without getting overwhelmed. Here's what you can expect from this video. First, we'll explore the Monday.com workspace, understand how boards work, and create a new workspace from scratch. Next, we'll build our first board using AI, customize columns and groups, and organize everything into a structured workflow. Then, we'll learn how to manage tasks, assign work, collaborate with team members, attach files, and track project progress efficiently. After that, we'll explore Monday.com's AI-powered features, including AI suggestions, automated workflows, and smart project management tools. And finally, we'll create AI agents that can monitor projects, notify team members, perform research, and automate repetitive tasks across your workspace. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, let's start by accessing the Monday.com website. Here, click on the Sign Up button and create a new account. Once you've signed up and logged into Monday.com, you'll arrive on the main dashboard. This is where all of your workspaces, boards, projects, and team activities will be managed. The first thing I want you to do is go to the top right corner and click on the Product Switcher. Here you'll see the different Monday.com products available in your account. You'll usually see the Work Management area, along with options such as CRM, Service, Campaigns, or Development, depending on your plan. For this tutorial, stay inside the Work Management section because that's where we'll create and manage our projects. Now look over to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find your workspaces and boards. Before we create anything, it's important to understand that Monday.com revolves around board. Think of a board as a central place where all tasks, projects, deadlines, and team activities are stored. Let's create our own workspace. On the left sidebar, click Add Workspace. Give your workspace a name. For this example, I'll name mine Sample, but you can use anything that matches your business, project, or team. Next, choose whether the workspace should be open or closed. Open means anyone in your organization can access it, while closed means only invited members can view it. This transparency helps beginners understand how AI workflows operate. Once the workspace is created, you'll be prompted to create a board. You'll notice there are several ways to do this. You can use templates, create one manually, or use AI to build it for you. Since Monday.com now includes AI-powered board creation, let's use that option. You'll see a text box where you can describe the type of board you want. In the prompt field, type something like, create a board to manage a YouTube content pipeline from idea generation to publishing. Leave the visibility set to main so everyone in the workspace can access it. Then click Create Board. Give the AI a few moments to generate your board structure. Once it's finished, you'll see a complete board with groups, statuses, and columns already created for you. This gives you a solid starting point without having to build everything manually. Now let's customize the board. You'll probably see group names that don't perfectly match your workflow. To rename one, simply click on the group title and type a new name. Next, let's edit the columns. If there's a column you don't need, hover over the column header, click the menu icon, and select Delete Column. If you want to add a new column, click the plus icon beside the existing columns. You'll see options such as status, text, date, people, files, numbers, and more. For example, click Status to create a production stage column where you can track whether tasks are in planning, filming, editing, or publishing. You can continue adding columns based on your workflow. Now let's organize our workspace a little better. Open the Workspace menu on the left side and click Add Folder. Name the folder Content. After creating it, drag your board into the folder. This keeps everything organized and makes it easier to manage multiple projects in the future. As your workspace grows, you can create additional folders for marketing, operations, clients, or anything else you manage. Now let's start adding actual tasks. Inside your board, click the first empty row and enter a task name. For this example, I'll type Monday.com tutorial. Press Enter to create the item. Each row on your board represents a project, task, or piece of work. To open more details, click directly on the task name. A detailed task page will appear. This is where collaboration happens. On the right side, you'll find an Updates section where you can leave comments and communicate with team members. For example, click inside the Update field and type, "This video needs a thumbnail." If you have team members in your workspace, you can tag them using the @ symbol. Simply type @ followed by their name. Then click Update to post the message. Whenever that person is tagged, they'll receive a notification. Now let's create a status system. Return to the board and locate one of your status columns. Click the status label and choose Edit Labels. Create labels such as Not Started, Working on It, and Completed. These labels help everyone quickly understand the progress of a task without opening it. You can also create custom labels for your workflow. For example, if you're managing content production, you might use Idea, Script Writing, Filming, Editing, and Published. Next, let's upload files. Open any task and look for the Files section. Click Add Files and upload an image, document, thumbnail reference, or any project-related asset. This keeps everything attached directly to the task instead of scattered across multiple platforms. Now let's take a look at integrations. Return to the main workspace and click Integrations or App Marketplace. You'll find hundreds of available integrations. You can connect tools like Slack, Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, Gmail, and many others. To install one, simply select the app and follow the connection prompts. These integrations allow your existing tools to work directly with Monday.com. Now, let's explore one of the built-in AI features. At the top of your board, click the Options menu. From the drop-down menu, select AI Suggestions. Monday.com will analyze your board and recommend improvements. For example, it might suggest adding a people column for assigning team members or a task column for tracking production responsibilities. Review the recommendations and click Apply on the ones you want to use. The suggested columns will automatically appear on your board. This is a great feature for beginners because it helps build more organized workflows without requiring project management experience. Now let's move on to AI agents. On the left side of the workspace, click the plus icon and select Agent. You'll see a chat-style interface where you can describe what you want the AI agent to do. For this example, type the following. When a video moves to the filming stage, notify the assigned designer to begin creating a thumbnail. Include the video title and deadline. Also flag any videos with deadlines within 5 days that are still in the ideas stage. After entering the prompt, click Build Agent. Monday.com will generate an AI agent based on your instructions. Give the agent a name. I'll call mine Project Analyst Agent. Click Onboard. Next, the platform will ask which board the agent should monitor. Select your content pipeline board. The AI will now create triggers and actions automatically. Review the generated instructions on the right side of the screen. If you want to make changes, click Edit and modify the instructions. The agent may ask you to choose triggers. Select a trigger such as when a new item is created. Then add another trigger, when a status changes to filming. You can also enable daily checks so the agent reviews your board automatically every day. Once everything looks good, click Run Now. The AI will perform a sample run and show you how the workflow operates. Review the results. If everything looks correct, click Activate. Your first AI agent is now live and monitoring the workspace. Next, let's create a research agent. Again, click the plus icon and select Agent. This time, enter a prompt like, research trending YouTube videos in the AI tools and automation niche every Monday at 9 a.m. Find the top performing videos from the previous week, summarize their hooks and content angles, and post the summary inside the raw ideas section. Click Generate. The platform will build the research agent automatically. Give it a name such as Research Assistant and continue. Select the appropriate board where the results should be posted. Before activating it, click Run Now. The AI will perform a sample search and generate example results. Review the topics it finds and make sure they're relevant to your niche. If you're satisfied with the output, click Save Changes and then activate. The research agent will now run automatically according to the schedule you selected. So that is all about Monday.com as a complete beginner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.